So let me make explanation why to use Beijia Beijia is another content farm of Baidu. As you know, there is no other better choice in China for search engine optimization because Beijia is the fort for Baidu to defend, and Baidu has dominated the Chinese search ecosystem. And Beijia is Baidu's blog platform for independent writers, bloggers, freelancers, business brands, and journalists. So let's analyze Beijia business model. It is to let bloggers to earn money through advertising instead of direct pay from Baidu. Well, the weakness is, from the point of the users, Baidu search engine overemphasizes on its own ecosystem. I mean that if you post your link on the other social medias, it cannot be indexed quickly by Baidu. So Baidu's algorithm always features its own content pool. And Beijia is Baidu's content pool. So that's why the first page search results always return from the relevant Baidu content farm, such as Beijia. So your visibility on the Baidu search results is not simply because of its content quality, but because whether you have placed to a right place. That's why Chinese tech companies have almost uniformly adopted closed business models. Well, if you put any WeChat QR code on Beijia or any other places of Baidu ecosystem, please be cautious, and your account may be shut down by Baidu because Baidu company is the competitor of Tencent company, and WeChat belongs to the product, and that's the brand, one of the brand of Tencent company. But they are, as my explanation before, among the top 10 China social medias. They are competitors each other. That's why they don't allow the other brand to promote their barcodes or any contacting information on their ecosystem. Okay, let me answer your question. How to use Baidu Beijia to maximize your digital marketing? Build your content on Baidu's own walled gardens. Beijia works as an influential social media platform like WeChat and Weibo. Baidu's competitors do not allow Baidu access to their sites and data. Even Chinese e-commerce sites, such as Taobao, keep Baidu from indexing their website. That is, push the Baidu with little choice, but to respond by developing its own similar platforms and building a walled garden of its own data pool. It's not intentionally to build a walled garden, but that's the reason the Baidu has to do it. Obviously, commercial contents are strictly banned. Why does Beijia strictly punish all promotional purpose articles and videos? It is because Baidu business model. Baidu is trying to turn itself into a marketing platform. Baidu wishes all users coming to use its own search functionality inside its own walled garden. Then Baidu is able to profit from the views and clicks in the future. So, if the blogger and influencers create content with obvious promotional sales, even adding WeChat barcode or Taobao links, that will break its rules. let alone to lead part of its track flow to its competitors. Please do not let Baidu feel his cakes are shared. Baidu needs large amounts of quality, independent, free paid authors, but Baidu does not want obvious profit-driven digital marketing contents. What is Baijiahao verification? Let me give you an answer. Baidu V certification enjoys priority ranking. Many friends ask me why his websites cannot be indexed by Baidu. That is because you did not pay for Baidu V certification. You might think it's not fair, but that's his right. So if you like to apply for V certification, and if you reach their requirement, and then Baidu V Verify can help you to enjoy the rights to be indexed. Well, that is his search business and his priority to be recommended by Baidu algorithm. Well, that is role, his algorithm role you have to follow. Well, so that's why many business people feel unfair to use the search engine Baidu, but that's true. And another verification is Baijiahao Enterprise Authority certification. Why another certification? Because it requires annual fee payment, and that payment is around $100. And so if you pay for it and then you obtain the Enterprise Baijiahao, and that's the key to have your brand position to be placed in advance, and after your pay, your verified service amount is opened, and then your brand is allowed to occupy the marketing programs in the early stage of your business. So that's why to get the verification by Baidu is so important. If you like to know more tips and guide how to do Baijiahao marketing, you may go to the following link to read more. Thanks for watching.